you don't know how you do it, but you always see your opponents. You don't really see them, but you always see a different color in your head, and you just try to find your teammate as best as you can. It can be in first touch or after a few touches, but definitely if you want to turn, normally the first touch has to be perfect. If you have a good first touch, then it always gives you and allows you to have more time on the ball, maybe 1 or 2 seconds. It's nothing, but in football, you know, when you are on the pitch, 1 or 2 seconds is a lot. Maybe if you are 1 second late, then your teammate can be offside, or you know, the run is not the same, you know. So in that kind of killer passes, normally the timing has to be perfect. Every day I want to become a better player, that at the end of the year I want to see myself lifting a trophy with all my teammates and all the fans. The most important thing is, you know, to enjoy yourself, let your football, you know, be free, you know.